And we're back on the IBM stand, and we're here with another partner. So what's your name and where'd you come from?
Okay, my name's Paul Ranson. I'm from the Dot Group.
Fantastic. So what are Dot Group?
Good question. So Dot Group are a ETL specialist, but also particularly around data lifecycle management. So we cover products right from databases all the way through to the analytics and the management and the control of all of those through that process. So we use a kind of a mantra of know your data, trust your data, and then use the data. And that's our kind of mantra going forward, as we've been doing over the last number of years.
Fantastic. So ETL, could you just give a little explain about what ETL is and why it's important, if it's one of the focus areas of the business?
So we've been doing that for about 20 odd years. Typically, most data sources you need to get from various different disparate areas, and you need to feed them to a data warehouse, a data mart, or in today's world, Hadoop environments. But you need to make sure that data is migrated in such a way and a fashion that it can be read at the other end, and it's got to be consistent, it's got to be trusted, and that's what we do. That's our skill set, one of our main skill sets. But out of that spins other things, such as if you need to archive the data, you've got structured data or unstructured. So all of these things come into play in today's brave new world.
Yeah, and I suppose actually if you've got an opportunity to touch the data as it passes through, there's a huge amount of value and enrichment you can add to that data in real time, sort of give customers extra value back they wouldn't have otherwise gleaned, I suppose.
Correct. What you'll see in today's market is a lot of people are moving to what they call metadata management, so it's data about data. And so in that area, we cover a governance catalogue that shrouds the ETL process. So what that means is you can work out the business terminology. So what does profit mean? What does customer mean? Because it means different things to different people. Similarly, you have where did the data come from? What was the source? What was the target? And then ultimately, where was the operational done? Was it operated over in this system or that system? So joining those three dots together gives you a better value proposition and the ability to monetize that data.
Fantastic. Well, look, thank you very much, Paul, and we'll speak to you more later on.
Thanks very much, Steve.
Cheers.